Assalamualaikum my champions, hope you are doing great in your life. We are continuing with the sequence of parts of speech. Parts of speech are the names of words according to the work they do in the sentences. In parts of speech, we have covered noun. Noun is a naming word, name of any person, place, or anything. That thing can be physical thing as well as any non-physical thing. We have covered pronoun. A pronoun is a word that is used instead of noun. A pronoun is used to avoid repetition of noun. After the pronoun, we covered adjective. An adjective is a word that modifies the meaning of noun or a pronoun. Or adjective modifies a noun or pronoun. Adjective tells something merits, demerits of noun or a pronoun. After adjective, we covered verb. A verb is a word that shows action, state, and it also helps in the tense formation. Okay, after the verb, we covered adverb. An adverb is a word that modifies the meaning of verb, adjective, and another adverb. After the adverb, we have a new topic that is a preposition. According to the definition, a word placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation with other words in the sentences. Prepositions are very important topic in the English grammar. According to definition, prepositions are always placed before a noun or a pronoun, and they show relationship with other words in the sentences. Let's see how prepositions are used to show other words in the sentence, or how prepositions are used to show relation with other words of the sentences given. For example, there are 50 students in the class. There are 50 students in the class. क्लास में 50 शागिर्द हैं. Students here is noun and class here is noun. जो रिलेशन बता रहा है वर्ड वो है प्रेपोजिशन इन. इन प्रेपोजिशन बता रहा है स्टूडेंट के बीच में और क्लास के बीच में. दो नाउन्स के बीच में जो रिलेशन बता रहा है इन वो एक क्या है प्रेपोजिशन. इन सेंटेंस नंबर 2, अली इज फॉन्ड ऑफ चॉकलेट्स. अली कुछ बच्चे होते हैं उनको चॉकलेट बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. ऐसे एक अली भी है जिसको चॉकलेट्स अच्छे लगते हैं. अली इज फॉन्ड ऑफ चॉकलेट्स. ऑफ इज व्हाट? ऑफ इज प्रीपोजिशन, बट फॉन्ड इज कॉल्ड, फॉन्ड इज एन एडजेक्टिव, and chocolates is what? Chocolates is a noun. Here preposition shows relation between adjective and a noun. In sentence number 1, preposition showed relationship with noun to another noun. In sentence number 2, preposition showed relationship of adjective to another noun. Let's see what is in sentence number 3. The cat jumped off the table. The cat jumped off the table. यहाँ पे jumped क्या है? jumped है verb. table क्या है? table is noun. यहाँ पे preposition क्या है? off. ये क्या है? preposition. पर यहाँ preposition relation बता रहा है एक verb का, jumped का, किसके साथ? noun के साथ. तो in sentence number 1, preposition showed relationship of a noun to another noun. In sentence number 2, preposition show relationship with adjective to another noun. In sentence number 3, preposition show relationship with verb to another noun. So prepositions are relating words. But one thing that is to be noted is that a noun or pronoun used with preposition is called object of the preposition. जो noun होता है या pronoun जो होता है अगर preposition के बाद आता है वो होता है object इस preposition का. Okay, that is called object of the preposition. And the prepositions are used to show, they are used to show time, they are used to show place, they are used to show direction. Let's see how they are used to show time, place and direction. In English grammar, preposition are used to show time, place and direction. In sentence number 1, he was born in January. He was born in January. Here in shows January is a month of a year. ये कि he was born in January. इन क्या है यहाँ preposition है जो क्या बता रहा है, टाइम बता रहा है कि वो कब पैदा हुआ, वो जनवरी में पैदा हुआ. He took lunch at 2 o'clock. यहाँ पे preposition बता रहा है, टाइम बता रहा है जो कि 8 2 o'clock. उसने लंच की कब की, 8 2 o'clock 2 बजे. In other sentences, the book is on the table. यहाँ पे जो ऑन है बता रहा है प्लेस कि जो बुक है वो कहाँ पड़ी है, टेबल पर पड़ी है. इन अदर सेंटेंस, हिज हाउस इज नियर द स्कूल. उसका जो घर है स्कूल के बिल्कुल नजदीकी. ये नियर क्या है, प्रेपोजिशन ऑफ प्लेस बता रहा है. इन अदर एग्जाम्पल, ही हैज कम फ्रॉम अमेरिका. वो अमेरिका से आया है. फ्रॉम यहाँ क्या है, फ्रॉम है प्रेपोजिशन जो हमें बता रहा है प्लेस का. प्लेस क्या है, अमेरिका. ओके, उसके बाद जो एग्जाम्पल है, ही गोज टू स्कूल. वो स्कूल जाता है. यहाँ पे ये प्रेपोजिशन टू वो बता रहा है हमें डायरेक्शन. वो कहाँ जा रहा है, स्कूल जा रहा है. In other sentence, he ran after the thief. वो जो चोर था उसके पीछे भागा. वो क्या, ये डायरेक्शन बता रहा है. यहाँ पे आफ्टर क्या बता रहा है, डायरेक्शन. उसके बाद लास्ट बट नॉट लीस्ट, he looked through the window. उसने विंडो से देखा. ये क्या है, यहाँ के प्रेपोजिशन इस्तेमाल होता हुआ है क्या, थ्रू, जो हमें बता रहा है डायरेक्शन. So in short, what are the prepositions? Prepositions are relating word. They show relationship with noun or pronoun and other words in the sentence. They show time, place and direction. They perform function of relating the words. They can relate noun to another noun. They can relate adjective to another noun. They can relate verb to another noun. This was all about the brief introduction of the preposition. Hope you are clear about the prepositions now. I am highly thankful to you that you are continuously watching and subscribing my channel. Please keep watching, keep liking, keep sharing and keep subscribing my channel. I hope and I assure you I will try my level best to do my best to give the best knowledge to you. Thank you very much.